Many of us are aware of WhatsApp Messenger, Facebook Messenger, and I might be tempted to use Instagram, the chat side, as a messenger. But it's quite unusual that most of us are unaware of a powerful messenger like Telegram. So in this video, I'm going to break down 10 reasons why you need to start using Telegram in 2018. And this is coming up. Hello everybody and welcome to this channel once again. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. So if you're new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. If you're old here, thanks so much for coming back here. So today we're going to discuss the 10 reasons why you need to start using Telegram in 2018. So first of all, Telegram is a cloud storage messenger. What does it mean? This means that anything that you see on my screen right now over here, over the tons of messages and any search that I have made so far, everything is saved in a cloud. So I don't need to think of a backup or anything like that. If I download a movie or an application or I made a particular chat to somebody, I don't need to do any backup for it in case I need to switch to a different phone or log in from my computer desktop or any other phone like that. All I need to do is input my number or anything and then log into the different device, and all these messages and the previous chats and everything, previous searches will just come. So there is no need to think of a backup, unlike WhatsApp where you need to make frequent or consistent backups. If not, if you move to a different phone, you're going to lose all data. Number 2 is the Telegram username feature. I believe most of us on WhatsApp know that if you want to get in contact with a particular person on WhatsApp, unless otherwise you're in the same group, you need to have the person's number. Here on Telegram, you don't need a person's number. You don't have to share personal contacts before you can talk to somebody. For example, this is Clueless Mamadi and I have no idea what her contacts look like, but I do chat with her anytime. All that you need is her username. So let's say Clueless Mamadi over here. This is her username, that is at Clueless Mamadi, and then you can just search for her and then you start making conversation. You don't need phone numbers, you don't need anything of that sort to get in contact with somebody on Telegram. I hope that is very simple. Number 3, we're going to talk about running multiple accounts on Telegram. How cool would it be if you have about 2 numbers, your private number and then your business number, and then you run both of them on the same messenger? In Telegram, all you need to do is click on the button over here and then you click over here and then you can, this is my personal account, that is Innocent K button. So you can go to add a different account and then you type in the new number that you want to add the account. So let's say this is the new number that I want to add to my account, and then you tick OK, and then it adds to your account. So you'll be running different or 2 accounts on the same Telegram messenger, and it applies when you go to your desktop or any other bit like that. Next, I'm going to talk about groups. Groups in WhatsApp and Facebook, I understand, can take a whole lot of people. Groups on Facebook can take up to 1 million or so people, but on WhatsApp, it takes about 280 per group. Here on Telegram, it is amazing. It takes about 5,000 people, and when it reaches 5,000 people, it grows to become a super group, and it can take about 10,000 or so, and then you get the chance to meet different people and interact with share different medias, large files, and so many great things in Telegram. So you might consider joining groups on Telegram. Number 5 is channels. I believe when I made mention of channel, the first thing that came into your mind is a YouTube channel. Well, we have channels on Telegram. Now, here is a thing that you can do. You don't need to be added to a channel. You can just search for it. This is a particular channel that I use to visit. I visit most frequently. This is a computer software. This is a particular channel that shares different things about computers. This is a particular channel that I get most of my topics from on YouTube, right? So you can download different types of, this is example, Magic Vegas Pro. This is a full app, a 438 megabytes delivered in a WinRAR file that you can download for free. No restrictions, no codes, nothing. You can join different groups. Let's say you belong to the beauty, or you belong to other niche. Let's say you go over here and then you start to type in beauty. You just wait for it to load, and this is a beauty.i0 that is having over 45,998 members, and then you can click on it to join. Also, if you're in a particular channel, you can sometimes the boots would bring up different channels over here as listed over here that join. Example of them are Telegram news, poem quotes, books and magazines, private movies, lyrics. So you just pick your niche, what are you interested in, and then you subscribe. Let's say you subscribe to that particular channel. Members or admins of a channel restricts to the as people who will be able to post in a particular channel. Number 6, I'm going to talk about media and media compressions. I hear a lot of people complain about sending pictures on WhatsApp and then after getting the picture depixelated. Right, you can do it over here on Telegram, and then you have no restriction as to the size of picture, or you don't have to worry about low quality pictures. Let's see, this is a friend of mine, and if you want to send a picture in Telegram, of course you can send any picture at all, but let's say that I want to send a picture, this particular picture of mine. If you send it right now, it is going to get it pixelated. That is an obvious thing. But here is the case that if you go to the image file over here and then you go to file, you can send from gallery, and then over here you can send different files, like multiple files, different files. So this particular same picture, I choose it in a different format, and then it delivers in a WinRAR form, like it is in a JPEG form, but it delivers in a very dynamic way that the person downloads the picture, like downloading it from the internet or downloading it from a Gmail account or via email or something like that, and you don't lose quality. Also, you can send stuff like movies, you can send longer movies as long as 1 GB movies, and so many great stuff. Number 7 and 8 are the editing and the unsent messages on Telegram. But I believe most of you will be saying that WhatsApp has the same feature. But what is different from Telegram is that when you send a particular message over here, like I send "How are you?" over here, and then I forget to bring the last U, but I send it. I don't need to delete it or make any reference. Or some will say that somebody will be laughing at you. You just hit on it and then you go to edit, and then you add a U and then your question mark, and then you send it. So instead of going over deleting and typing again, you can edit it as many times as you want. And the next one, that is the number 8 one, is on sending. I've sent 2 messages right now to my friend, and if he opens his Telegram right now, he'll be able to see it from the other side. Unlike WhatsApp, when you unsend a message, it goes like WhatsApp message deleted, and the person can see it right from there that you sent a message and then you deleted it. But here's the case. I'm going to select these 2 messages, go to delete, and go to delete for NKC. So I'm going to delete it. And as to anytime my friend will log into his account, he's never going to see that I sent him a message. He will have no idea that I even made this tutorial with his help. But I'm going to show him this tutorial afterwards, so he's going to know that I sent him a message previously. So you can try that feature also. It makes using Telegram very nice. Number 9, I'm going to talk about bots in Telegram. Well, WhatsApp also has it, and yeah, it's kind of cool, but in Telegram it goes far beyond that. It can help admins to welcome new members to channels and groups, and then it also, there's a particular Bitcoin cloud mining that I'm using currently, and it is run by a bot. So currently you can see that my bot has been able to mine about a total of 5,371 satoshis, right? So if I click over here and then I go to, let's say, working, I'll be able to see different things. If I click on menu here, everything is run by a bot, so you can you can request for the help of a bot to assist you to manage a group or a channel. And it's a pretty cool feature that Telegram has. And the last thing that I'm going to talk about is the secret chat feature in Telegram. This is a super cool feature in Telegram in case you want to discuss something very private and confidential. To start this is very simple. Just select the person that you want to start a secret chat with. Go to the menu and select the secret chat option from down below. Then select the timer as to how you want the message to, how long you want it to stay on the screen. So you can set the timer from 1 second up to 3 weeks. So immediately the person sees it, it just vanishes. So after that, you can start your conversation and then you type in any message that you want to type in. Immediately the person you send a message to sees the message, it just vanishes according to the time that you set for it. So here you see, and then boom, it just vanishes. When he replies, after 5 seconds you've seen it, and then it vanishes too. Boom, that's it. So basically that is how it works. Additionally, you can change the time to 4 seconds, 3 seconds, like any, and then you can put it off also if you don't want to use it anymore. So this secret chat is super cool feature that is very convenient if you want to do something like a very private issue, a very confidential thing on the internet. This secret chat is very private to the extent that even it doesn't allow recording screen. So you see, it is showing you the particular things that you can do, but it will never show you the type of messages that you are sending over. Isn't that cool? One of the things that would interest you the most is also the night mode feature on the desktop. So over here, when you click and then you come to the night mode over here, you can just change this to the night mode. This is pretty cool, right? If you're using this at night, it saves you tons of things from getting eye problems and all those things. And if you want to switch back, you just go to the night mode and then you switch it back on during daytime. Isn't this pretty simple? Nevertheless, Telegram lacks a feature like video call, which they are thinking of bringing up this particular year and updating their contact system. So we look forward to seeing it. So one thing is you have to share this video with your friends as to why and how they can be on Telegram, and we all use the platform and make it a big place together. I have also group links of YouTubers that we come together to support each other, and then we help each other grow. I'll put the links in the description if you want to join, right? So don't forget to hit me up on Telegram at @innocent if you want any further questions on Telegram, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment below if you have any doubts and I'll get back to you in the comments. So see you in the next one. Innocent here. Bye.